looking through my window from the outside. You see me do strange things, but I don't mind. Watching me makes you sad. Don't know why. I'm so much more composed than you without even trying. Can you forgive me for stripping you in this song? But I needed to tell you that you shouldn't feel alone. Can't you just let it go? You don't have to be better than me or anyone else, no. Can't you see that love's coming for those who don't carry doubts in their soul? At least not so many self-related ones. Gave me a book to read. I ate chocolate while reading it. I left brown stains in it, but I promise it ain't shit. Don't wanna touch it all the same. Don't even touch your own soul's brown stain. Just let it go. You don't have to be better than me or anyone else, no. Can't you see that love is coming for those who don't carry doubts in their soul? Not so many self-related ones. You buried yourself some time ago.